Thank you for watching Knowledgeful Life channel. Please like and subscribe and share to other students. In this lecture video, we are discussing about the subject income tax, a very important topic. What is gross income? Now let's start. What is gross income? It is a very important question for income tax students. What is a gross income? Gross income has two different definitions depending on whether it is used in the business sense or refers to an individual. So individual gross income and business income. It means business gross income. Now the first terminology, individual gross income means what? Individual gross income. Individual gross income is used by lenders or landlords to determine whether said individual is a worthy borrower or renter. When filing federal and state income tax, gross income is a starting point before subtracting deductions to determine whether the amount owed. So this is for individual. Another terminology also related to individual gross income is adjusted gross income. What is adjusted gross income? For individual, the group income metric used on income tax return includes not just wages or salary but also other forms of income such as a tips, capital gain, rental payment, dividend, pension and interest. After subtracting above the line tax deduction, the result is adjusted gross income. So after deduction, all the above mentioned had, the result is adjusted gross income. In short, AGI. Now what is business gross income? A company gross income or a gross profit margin is the most simple measure of the firm's profitability. While the gross income metric includes the direct cost of producing or providing goods and services, it does not include the other costs related to selling activities, administration, taxes and other costs related to running the overall business. Example of individual gross income. Assume that an individual has $75,000 annual salary, generate $1,000 a year in interest from saving account, collect $500 per year in a stock dividend and receive $10,000 a year from rental property income. His or her gross annual income is $86,500. So it means that individual has $75,000 annual salary and $1,000 a year interest from a saving account and collect $500 per year stock dividend and receive $10,000 a year from property income. So all the various heads income joined together and made gross income $86,500. Now the next example of business gross income. Business gross income is a line that sometimes included in a company income statement but not required. If not displayed, it is calculated as gross revenue minus cost of goods sold. Now what is income statement? An income statement, one of three financial statements used for reporting a company financial performance or a specific accounting period, with the other two key statements being the balance sheet and the statement of cash flow. also known as profit and loss statement or a statement of revenue expenses. The income statement primarily focuses on the company's revenue and expenses during a particular period. Income statement finally focuses on company revenue and expenses during a particular period. Now this is the format of income statement of XYZ company. Month, year, sales revenue, net sales, cost of goods sold, gross profit, operating expenses, advertising, insurance, payroll, suppliers, utility, total expenses. This is all together operating income. Additional income, other revenue, other expenses, net income. Income statement of a company XYZ. Another Excel form of income statement: revenue, merchandise sale, revenue from training, total revenue, expenses, procurement cost, wages, rent, interest paid, transportations cost, utilities cost, total expenses, gains, income from sale of wine, losses, settlement cost of consumer, net income, revenue plus gains minus expenses and aid losses. So this is the income statement for the quarter ended 30 September 2018. Another example of income statement. Now this is we are talking about financial statement. Now the next topic in this lecture video, a company gross income or a gross profit. A company gross income found in an income statement is the revenue all sources minus cost of goods sold. So what is cost of goods sold? Cost of goods sold, beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory, where P equal to purchases during period. Thank you for watching Knowledge for Life channel. Please like and subscribe and share to other students. Thank you.